everyone, welcome back to our podcast. I hope you are doing well and practicing your English every day. Hello everyone, we are back with another interesting and useful speaking topic. Yes, and today's topic is a challenge we faced in our life. This is very real and meaningful topic because everyone faces challenges at some point. Absolutely. So let me start by sharing my experience. Yes, please go ahead. I am excited to hear your story. There was a time when I was not confident in speaking English. Whenever I tried to speak in front of others, I felt very nervous. That's very common. What exactly made you feel nervous? I was afraid of making mistakes. I thought people would judge me or laugh at me. Yes, many people feel the same. Did this fear affect your daily life? Yes, it did. Even when I knew the answer, I stayed silent. I avoided speaking situations and that became a big challenge for me. That sounds difficult. So, when did you decide to change this? One day I realized that if I continue like this, I will never improve. So I made a decision to change myself. That's a powerful movement. What steps did you take after that? I started with very small steps. First, I practiced speaking in front of a mirror. Then I started listening to simple English podcast. I also tried to speak every day, even if it was just for 5 to 10 minutes. That's a very practical approach. Was it easy for you in the beginning? No, not at all. At the beginning, it was very difficult. I made a lot of mistakes and sometimes I felt frustrated. Did you ever feel like giving up? Yes, many times. But I reminded myself of my goal. I knew that improvement takes time. That's a great mindset. So, when did you start seeing improvement? Slowly, after some weeks, I noticed changes. My pronunciation improved and I started feeling more confident. After some time, I was able to speak without fear. That must have felt amazing. Yes, I did. I felt very happy and proud of myself. So, what lesson did you learn from this challenge? I learned that mistakes are not bad. They are a natural part of learning. If we are afraid of mistakes, we will never grow. That's a very important lesson. Yes, and I also learned that consistency is the key. Even small daily practice can bring big improvement. I completely agree. Many people want quick results, but real growth takes time. Exactly. Patience and regular practice are very important. So, what advice would you give to someone who is facing a similar challenge? I would say don't be afraid of mistakes. Start small, practice daily, and believe in yourself. That's very helpful advice. And also, don't compare yourself with others. Focus on your own progress. That's true. Everyone learns at their own pace. Yes. And today I feel proud of myself because I did not give up. That's really inspiring. So, listeners, think about a challenge you faced in your life. What was the problem? How did you solve it? And what did you learn from it? Try to speak about it in English. It will help you improve your fluency and confidence. Thank you so much for listening. We hope you learned something useful today. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next episode. Take care. Goodbye.